What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am off to go get my first ever pap smear and I'm pretty terrified. I have a super busy weekend this weekend, so I figured I would just vlog throughout and just kind of compile this footage into one big vlog. But yeah, I'm off to get a pap smear. I'm super nervous, but I think it's super important to stay on top of it and get checked. So I'm off to go do that, and yeah, I decided to document this and I'll let you guys know how it goes. What's up guys? Let me actually turn on the light. I should have probably done this before I started the video. But what's up guys? It is actually Sunday now, so it is my day off, and I am just gonna vlog today and tomorrow, my 2 days off, because I have some doctor's appointments, some errands I'm running, things like that. But I just wanted to update on the pap smear. So it's definitely, I definitely suggest going to get your annual checkups, because unfortunately they found out that I have a problem that I probably had for a while, and it's just been progressively getting worse. I basically have an inflamed joint on my pelvis, and so I am probably going to be starting physical therapy soon. I'm actually have on my list today to go pick up my prescriptions to help my muscles cool down, because essentially what he was saying was if my joint, like if that muscle is inflamed, then other muscles in my pelvis are gonna start getting inflamed, because they're stepping up to help that muscle do its job and keep me balanced and keep my hips going. So I'm having some pain in other areas of my body, so I'm just gonna go get some prescriptions. We'll see how it goes. Let me tell you about my to-do list today, because it is pretty extensive. So here's what I got. Also, I'm not wearing makeup. There's some weird shadow here. I'm not wearing makeup today. I'm going to the dermatologist tomorrow, so I'm trying to make sure my skin is as glowing as possible so they can do a good evaluation. But anyway, here's my to-do list. So the first thing I have is laundry. As you can hear, I've already started that. Dishes, cleaning. I need to go to the gym today. I have to go get groceries and prescriptions. I need to go to Target to get stuff for our video tomorrow, which is going to be trying everything pumpkin spice. I want to straighten my hair so it's ready for the video tomorrow. I need to go to Ulta and get some mascara, and while I'm there I just might do a little sneak into Goodwill and see if there's anything good in there. I need to fill out the dermatologist paperwork for tomorrow, and I was wanting to take Nala to the PARK, but it's actually super rainy outside, so I think that's gonna have to wait till tomorrow till the park dries. Sorry, Nala. So anyway, those are the list of things to do today, so I'll take you guys along with me, and then I will kind of update you on the dermatologist tomorrow and give you a little sneak peek of our video, which you probably already saw because it went up 2 days before this one. And yeah, all right, well, I better get going because I have a lot of stuff to do today. All right, so pardon my messy hair. I don't even care today. I just want to get these errands done. But it is currently about 2:45, so we'll see how quickly we can do this. My first stop, I'm gonna go to Ulta, and then I'm gonna head to Target, and then, well, Goodwill, and then Target, and then Publix. So that's the plan, Stan. All right, so Ulta didn't have the mascara I was looking for. My hair literally looks like Hermione Granger right now. It is poofy. So I'm just gonna order it from online. I just got to Target right now, but I wanted to say that I have been addicted. I'm gonna put you here while I grab my bag. I have been addicted to this podcast called The Killing of Marilyn Monroe. It's really good. You guys should go give it a listen if you have some extra time, because I've really been enjoying it. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and now. I definitely think I accomplished my mission. Holy smokes, pumpkin everything. All right, just got back from Publix and Target, and it's like 4:45. So I'm about to put away all these groceries on the floor, do the dishes, and then I'm probably gonna hit up the gym. I just need to take an olive out before I do that. I'm currently watching H2O. Actually, I probably will fold some laundry before the gym as well. So that's the current plan. Clean apartment. All that's left is laundry and cleaning the bathroom, and I'm done cleaning for the day. Woohoo! It's Monday and I'm at the dermatologist. All right, here is the aftermath of trying everything pumpkin spice video. Woo! It's gonna be a lot of cleaning up over here. Luckily, we didn't have to use the barf bag I brought. Barf bag? Bag? You like that word? Bag. Yeah, I brought a barf bag just in case.
Oh my god, Marissa.